Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook account temporary unavailable problem. If you face Facebook account temporary unavailable error, usually means Facebook has restricted access to your account for a short time due to security, technical or policy reason. Let's see how to fix Facebook account temporary unavailable problem. Step 1. Wait 24 or 48 hours without trying to log in respectively. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Facebook app. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook account temporary unavailable problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.